I'm going to ask you a few more questions and some one-line answers from you. One contemporary actress's role you wish you had done.
I don't wish for things that I don't have already.
Your favorite Bollywood real-life couple?
You know, I prefer to view people as people and individuals rather than a couple.
Okay.
So I will, if I sometimes I like the husband, I don't like the wife. Sometimes I like the wife, I don't like the husband. So it's difficult for me to view them as a couple per se.
The worst Hindi film you've seen recently?
Yeah, I haven't watched any movies. I'm really bad.
Yeah.
I really haven't watched any of the films. I don't get the time to watch a film, really.
Your favorite co-star?
My husband and Shah Rukh.
Okay.
Shah Rukh is a friend and my husband is my husband. So I can't argue with that now, can I?
Bollywood sexiest actor according to you?
My husband, hands down.
A rumor you heard about yourself you wish was true?
You know, actually all my friends will tell you I'm completely clueless. I have no idea what is happening outside. And
I don't believe this.
Forget about other people. I have no idea what is happening about other people, so forget about myself. I don't hear rumors only about myself.
A film you wish you had not done?
I don't wish for that at all.
No?
No. There are some films that I would consider mistakes, but I definitely believe that my mistakes make me what I am today.
If not an actress, you would have been?
A psychiatrist.
Yeah?
I think
you would pinch your patience.
Yeah, I would have definitely. I don't know whether I would have had the patience to be a psychiatrist, but yeah, I would have been like, slap you, get your act together.
Yeah, what's wrong with you?
Yeah, what's
Think
wrong
straight,
with
man.
you? Get your priorities right in life. But I have no goals in my life to reach, and I have no ambitions that I want to keep up.
But you're enjoying the journey, that's more important.
Yeah, I do. I believe that.
Yeah. Your all-time favorite movie?
Sholay. I can watch it anywhere,
Sholay?
anytime.
Yeah. A role that you played which is closest to the real you?
Kuch Kuch Hota Hai.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What do you get complimented on most?
My smile.
Yeah. Yeah.
My attitude a lot more.
What's the best advice you've been given?
Actually, the best advice was given to me by my dad. He just finished the Mahurat of Bekhudi, and he came to me and he told me, he says, "Are you sure you want to do this?" And I was like, yeah, you know, it's going to be fun. And I have Rahul uncle, and I have Mickey and Gautam, and they'll all take care of me. And, you know, I'll be fine. I'll have so much fun, Dad. Think about it. I'll have so much fun. And he looked at me and he was like, you know, once you put that paint on, it's going to be very difficult to take it off. And nobody ever manages to get it off. So that was the best piece of advice that he gave me. And I remember it till today because, you know, even though I've taken breaks and whatever, but you know, I keep coming back.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
Well, the one thing you could change about yourself?
You know, I like myself.
Yeah.
I love myself. I truly do. All my bad points, my bitchiness and everything, I really like myself. I hope that I'm evolving and I'm becoming a better person, and I'm a work in progress. I like to think of myself like that.
It's a fantastic line, yeah? Work in progress. Wow. Bollywood's best style icon according to you?
You know, I don't know. I really don't know, and I'm not the right person to be asking this question considering how much flack I've gotten for my style.
Okay. The best and the worst part of being an actress?
Best part would be the going to the front of the line part. The not having to wait in queues part. Best part would have to be the amazing amount of love that you get, the unconditional adoration and love that you get from people.
Okay, a little difficult one, Ajay. Better husband, better father?
I think better father.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. What stars say and what they really mean, generally, okay? This is going to be a fun take, your fun take. Yeah? We are just good friends.
We're secretly having an affair and we don't want to tell you about it. We just actually hate each other. We can't stand the sight of each other. But we'd like you to believe that we know each other very well.
I'm getting a lot of offers, but I'm waiting for the right script.
Sitting at home doing nothing.
We are cordial when we meet.
Sarcasm taken to another level altogether. We are so sarcastic. I love you.
Like I hate you.
Yeah.
I'll only expose if the script demands it.
I don't have the body to wear a bikini right now.
I eat everything and I'm fit because I think positively.
Starving myself to death here. Hello, doesn't it show?
I don't believe in the numbers game.
Now that I for one happen to believe is true.
Yeah.
I don't believe in the numbers game.
Yeah, true. Finally, a 7th sense check, you know, because it's the 7th anniversary of Zoom. Last, have you ever felt that emotion?
Well, I hope so. I have 2 children. I really hope so. At least that's what I think it was anyways.
Super. Next is gluttony. One food item you can't resist.
Oh, no, there's not one food item. There is a whole list of them right now,
Yeah.
especially when you're on a diet.
Yeah.
It's like everything that the outside world is eating more like.
The next one is Greed. Have you done any movie for the money? Just the money?
No,
No?
I haven't actually. I've done a
Yeah.
lot of other things for money, but I haven't done a
Yeah.
movie for money, no.
Yeah. Wrath, anger. Who's the one person who's angered you the most?
Oh, I have a lot of road rage,
Yeah?
which is why I don't drive as much as I used to. It's mostly the rickshawalas and the taxi drivers who cut me in when I'm driving.
I'm with you on that.
Yeah.
I'm with you.
And the traffic
Yeah.
pisses me off like mad.
Envy. Someone you envy?
I don't envy anybody. I really don't.
Yeah.
I have touch wood that way.
Touch wood, and I
not,
believe that, yeah.
I really don't envy anyone
Yeah.
or anything.
Pride. You think it's a sin?
Pride? No,
Yeah.
not at all.
Yeah.
I don't think it's a sin. I think it
Yeah.
should be a trait that should be, like pride should be like put into like certain people. Most of the population of our country don't have enough of it anyways.
And sloth, laziness. Are you guilty of it?
I would love sloth once in a while. I wish sloth would come visit me in my home once in a while, really.
You wouldn't get the time with two
No,
young
I
kids.
don't. So sloth I don't consider
Yeah,
at
yeah.
all a sin.
Yeah. And Kajal, finally, what's your take on Zoom? What do you think of Zoom?
I think it's an informative channel. It's funny. It's interesting to watch it. As I said, it's great fun.
Okay. Thank you so much, Kajal. Pleasure talking to you as
My
always.
pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.